Hello to all my Rankin All-Stars. I hope you all have had a fantastic summer and are ready to begin this next school year. We are so excited to see all of you. I can't believe it's been since spring break since we've seen all of you. We're ready to see everybody and welcome our third graders from Joyner. I know you may be anxious about the fall, but we have been preparing all summer to ensure your safety. Our teachers have been working very hard on their classrooms as well as working on Canvas for their online classrooms to make it even better than it was last year. We are so excited to see all of you. Please know that Rankin has the best teachers, the best staff, the best students, and parents, and we will see you the first day of school.